In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Google Sheets, complete with percentages. Whether you're preparing a presentation, analyzing data, or simply visualizing information for clarity, pie charts are a fantastic tool to have at your disposal. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly create one in a few simple steps. First things first, you'll need to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already, navigate to your Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where your data is stored. Once you have your spreadsheet in front of you, the next step is to select the range of cell data you want to include in your pie chart. This could be anything from a list of sales numbers to a breakdown of survey responses. Make sure you highlight all the necessary cells, as these values will form the basis of your chart. With your data selected, it's time to insert your chart. Look to the top of your screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on Insert to reveal a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to creating various types of charts, including pie charts. From this menu, proceed by clicking on Chart. Your spreadsheet will instantly showcase a basic chart, but don't worry if it doesn't look exactly how you imagined just yet. We're getting there. When the chart editor opens up on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see Chart Type at the top. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a variety of chart options. Since we're focusing on pie charts today, go ahead and select Pie Chart from the list. Pie charts are great for showing proportions, so they're perfect for data sets where you're interested in the comparative size of your categories. You'll notice that Google Sheets offers several types of pie charts, such as 3D or donut variations. Choose the one that best fits your needs or preferences. The default selection should suffice in most cases, but it's always exciting to experiment with the different styles available. Finally, take advantage of the customization options. In the chart editor, you can modify the look and feel of your pie chart. This includes changing colors, adding data labels in percentage format, or tweaking the legend for better clarity. Customization can really elevate the readability and professionalism of your chart, making it more informative and visually appealing. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your data into an effective visual pie chart in Google Sheets. Don't forget to review your chart to ensure that it accurately represents your data and effectively communicates the message you want to convey. We hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and are inspired to create pie charts for all your data visualization needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.